Hi, today we're going to be talking about covering your equity. The reason I wanted to talk about renter's insurance today is because I recently had a client who hoped to rent a condo, and renter's insurance was not required. Guess what? She had a flood and she was misplaced from her property. So I want to cover 6 points on why renter's insurance is important and where you can get it. Stay tuned. The first point is a covered event. What classifies you to make a claim for renter's insurance? So covered events can include theft, vandalism, fire, windstorm, a flood, in certain areas, maybe a hurricane or a tornado. Those can be covered events. And what is covered under a covered event? Your personal property. So your furniture, your TV, your camera, your iPhone, your laptop, your desktop, anything of value that would be pricey or costly to replace, you can file a claim under that covered event under your renter's insurance. Another thing a lot of people don't know, it doesn't just cover where you live. So for instance, if you were to go on a trip and you went abroad to like Cancun, or you went to Africa and you lost your luggage or you lost your camera, you can actually call your renter's insurance and file a claim, and they may replace whatever was lost or stolen. I didn't know that at first, but during my research, I found out that you don't have to just have the things inside your home to be covered. If you go abroad or you go to the coffee shop, you spill a latte on your computer, you can file a claim under your renter's insurance. The next thing you need to know about renter's insurance is loss of use, which is essentially a relocation expense, to where if your place that you live is inaccessible or unlivable, they will give you funds to stay in a hotel or something like that while you've been displaced and the repairs are being made to your property. The third point regarding renter's insurance is personal liability. So say you have a function at your house, you have a big party, and somebody hurts themselves, they break a limb, sprain a knee, sprain a leg, whatever. This is too fun. And somebody hurts themselves at your house, they can file a claim under your renter's insurance for their medical bills and their personal property. So this covers a lot, and it's not that expensive, which is my next point, affordability. So with renter's insurance, you also have a deductible similar to health insurance, and if you want a low payment, you may have a higher deductible. If you have a lower deductible, then you may have a higher monthly payment. Although renter's insurance is not expensive, sometimes you could pay $120 for the year, but you always want to take a look at the affordability of your policy, as well as have a policy that covers the value of items that you actually own. And when something happens, you file a claim, and that deductible is when you have to put out $500 before your insurance company even kicks out any money to repair or replace whatever has been lost or stolen, so or damaged, in the case of a flood. Another way you can save on renter's insurance is if you already have an auto insurance policy. A lot of people will call their auto insurance company and try to bundle and save, so that you can get a discount on more than one thing. Another way you can save money on renter's insurance is if you already have a security system. They will give you another discount for putting in precautions and safety measures so that unforeseen things will not happen. If you have AAA, you may be able to get renter's insurance too. So just take a look at different options available to you. Point number 5, something that you need to know regarding renter's insurance is if your policy pays out on actual value versus cash value. So actual value may be a little cheaper because the insurance companies take into consideration how much you paid for the item, less depreciation, less condition. So they're going to give you less money for what you paid for the item versus a replacement value policy that's going to give you the money up front of what it will cost to replace that item brand new. So the last and final point, point 6, you're in the market, you want to know, Brittney, where can I get renter's insurance? Go to valuepenguin.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. But if you're a comparison shopper like me and you don't really like shopping but you want to have all the information, go to valuepenguin.com, because this place will allow you to compare different companies with different rates anywhere in the country that you live. So all you do is go to valuepenguin.com, you put in your zip code, and it will give you different rates for different companies if you're in the market for renter's insurance. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do a deeper dive into renter's insurance, condo insurance, single family home insurance, let me know. I'll look forward to your feedback. If you sticked around this long, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.